So hello and welcome to Field Mixologist. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be honing the cylinder of the good old Lister D. So I got the Flexi Hone. These are tools that you can use with just handheld drills really. But the reason I'm going to be using the pillar drill is because the pillar drill is a much stabler platform, and I can make it kind of go down and up. Whilst the tool is centered. It does say that the tool is self-centering. I don't trust it very much because it's not a very good one. So therefore this will keep the tool nice and centered. And the other thing that I've been told is that you need slow speeds, and sometimes the drills can get very fast. So the good thing about the pillar drill is that I can adjust the speed, and currently I've got 1400 RPM thereabout. So that should be quite good. And also I want to try and hone the cylinder, a bit down where it was unworn, try to sort of make it roundish again. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so here's the end result. I'm pretty pleased with this actually. Let me shine a light there. As you can see down the board, there is a very nice, crosshatch pattern there. So now what I need to do is I need to kind of assess the condition of the cylinder, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to try and straighten it out a little bit, and I need to start gapping the rings a little bit. So that's the next sort of job that it needs doing. Okay, so this is one of those videos where I say I've got good news, but I also have bad news. So the good news is that I've got a set of standard rings, brand new set of standard rings, just bought it with the instructions, as you should. And I've showed you that I've done the honing of the cylinder. Now, so what I started doing is I started gapping the rings. Yeah, as you would if you were building the engine. So turns out that the good news is that the imperfection of the cylinder, I've got the video that I've done before about that this cylinder was kind of eggy shaped. Now that has been corrected by this kind of tool of death here. Now I've got bad news is that the gap in the rings at the top where it would sit if it was on the piston is 46 thousandths of an inch. So that means that this piston is absolutely wobbling inside the bore. If I put it like that where it would sit, I mean this thing is absolutely, let me show you what I mean. I don't know if you could see it there. It's absolutely warping inside the ball, which is not insanely great, shall we say, in terms of working. So I think that the next course of action is going to be oversized piston jobby, and for that I need kind of more parts, more money and that kind of stuff, but I will start doing, you know, as much as I can around it, so that when the new piston arrived, things are a bit more ready, shall I say, to carry on with the work. So hey ho, it's like one step forward, two steps back, but that's kind of the reality of building engines, restoring engines. Sometimes you get good days, and sometimes you don't get good days, but that's it. So I'll see you on the next episode.